Good. Hi everyone. I am Derek Daniel E. Villarin, but you can call me Decoy. So, I'm currently second year student of BSIT. Then, I don't know anong nakaabot ko aning year. Stop na unta ko. So, kung dili ko mag-code kay or di ko mag-study for kuan, makita na ko ninyo nagduwa o online games or any contact games. Then I enjoy competition nga mutaas akong adrenaline. Then so I'm pretty easygoing and open to almost anything as long as my personal space are not kanang respect akong personal space. So that's me, focus, fun, and always ready to learn something new. Nice to meet you. Have a great semester.